Hey guys, it's Ashley and I'm at our newest listing, 104 Del Mar. This is a great West End Jefferson City home, and you are not going to find a home that has been constructed as well as this one. This home is very well maintained, and it was a custom built home, ranch style. It's a split bedroom design. The master suite has a nice big large walk-in closet, and you have a nice primary bathroom with double vanity. On the main level, you're going to notice the carpet is almost like new. It is about 3 years old, but has been extremely well taken care of and not used very much at all. Also, the kitchen has cabinets that have lots of nice storage space and a lot of the pull-out cabinetry. You also have a nice laundry room on the main level, so it's all main level living. The garage is a two-car garage. It's very spacious. There is an extra long bay in there, so you'll be fine sticking a large truck in there. Also, you have a utility sink in the garage as well. And you have 8-foot garage doors. This home has 2x6 exterior walls. You have a fabulous backyard, an unfinished basement, except for recently there has been a bathroom, a full bathroom downstairs that was finished. So if you wanted to also add a family room or another bedroom, a fourth bedroom downstairs, you could easily do that. I'm excited about this one. Sit back and enjoy the tour.